Hi everybody, it's Rory here. I'm wanting to give an update on the Dubai legal claim process. Today is the 28th of October. Please take a look at the disclaimer there, and I'll just read it out. For matter of course, the views and opinions expressed in this presentation are solely for those of the speaker and do not constitute professional or legal advice. All information shared is intended for informational purposes only. Viewers are encouraged to do their own research, conduct independent due diligence, and consult with qualified professionals before making any decisions based on the content of the presentation. The presenter assumes no liability for any actions taken in reliance of this information. All rights are reserved. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, what this is all about? Well, it's about the Hypertech Group and Sam Lee. As you well know, we've been putting together a case in Dubai, and we're moving forward with our claims. We wanted to get truth, justice, and a chance to get our money back. And I made a commitment to the community to say if that there were people that would like to join this, I would go forward with the charge on this, and that is what we're doing. For those people that have not taken the time to want to participate, it's now officially closed. We are no longer accepting any responses. Only those people that have that filled in this form prior to midnight last night will be assisted. We have sent out all the invoices for the $15 contribution, which is to help cover things like the legal fees, etc. It's all broken down and has been discussed before. What are we laying claims and which programs? Well, these are related to the Hypertech Group and Sam Lee. This is Hyper One, Hyper Community, Hyper Capital, Hyper Global, Hyper Fund, Hyperverse, Hypernation, Hypercosmos, Stable DAO, VideoLook Beta and Live, Stepstar. We are all Satoshi, and this was specifically for those people that had given checks or participation before Chavez took over. We are still waiting to see how Chavez is going to handle the process after the 500 days, because he apparently has control of some of the funds. VAV, Vend, and HyperBC. Why HyperBC? HyperBC is essentially an exchange like a Binance, where they hold custodial value on the wallets, and we're having a situation where some people are not able to get their money out of the fund. There's an application for a license in Dubai, so we want to assist those people get their money out of that fund, their crypto that's sitting in those wallets. So what are the next steps? Basically, what are we going to do is later this week, I will open up and we'll start the submission process. You'll need to complete a declaration form. You'll need to upload that declaration form. We'll have proof of accounts. What we really need to do is prove to say, hey, I had an account. There's my account. There's my proof. And this is the proof of funds that's owed to me, and I would like to put in a claim. Based on that, we'll be able to move forward and submit that to the authorities to review. So the declaration and claims process, what you can prepare for later this week, I would suggest that you put some support groups together, because you're all going to help each other. Yes, I'm going to help and present and show, but I don't speak all the languages. And I think what's important is some people don't know, for example, how to do screen recordings or take snapshots or how to access information. The type of proof that we're looking for once you've proven your account is screenshots, back office, emails, proof records of deposits, etc. Multiple accounts can be put in for the Hyperfund, because Hope Hill at the time confirmed that we were able to do that, and we have that in proof and record. And any proof of payments or deposits. Now, that doesn't mean you need to supply every single piece of paper. Essentially, if you are owed $30,000, you need to prove that you have an account. You need to prove and show that $30,000 and then put your submission through. But we'll go through all of that with the uploading of the submissions. So from my side, I just want to reach out and say thank you to everybody that has participated. I know this has taken a lot longer than expected. What we closed off, and then I was swamped with so many people saying, I haven't heard about it. No one's told me about it. Please, can you help? So I extended it now, but there is no more extensions, because we are now submitting to the authorities. It's quite interesting to, the majority of people are very grateful that we're going ahead with this process. And isn't it quite amazing that we are not seeing any other programs out in the marketplace linked to what we believe is Hypertech Group and Sam Lee? So for me, the $15 contribution, or what we have already done, is already a victory in the marketplace. If you are participating, you've already helped those people that could have suffered huge losses like ourselves from being hurt. And I think that's something to be quite proud about. And then on the other side, you've got other people that I suppose are driven by greed. You know, I hear of a case where one person's owed $3 million, but believes what we're doing is a scam. And, you know, it sort of blows my mind. I think, you know, we've been talking about it. We've been moving through. I've been updating. I've been submitting. I have a transparent process. I'm using a company. I have declared everything. And everybody I know has been hurt. But this is a process to try and help and to bring closure to this matter. And, you know, for me, you know, should we be successful, and I truly hope and believe that we do have a strong case, but should we be successful, that person that didn't want to contribute $15 to at least stop other people getting hurt or to find out the justice, and then they don't stand a chance of getting their $3 million. How foolish was that decision, should that be the case? But for those people that are supporting and seeking the justice, it's really great that we have come together as a community. And I want to thank those people that have participated. For those people that choose not to, I fully respect that. This is not a must do. This is something that if you would like to be involved. But from our side, I'm now moving forward for those people that are wanting to participate. We'd like to get our submissions up by the middle of next month. And then we will obviously keep everybody updated as the authorities progress with the case. But thank you and have a fantastic day.